Check this out.
Hey guys, Chris19, A.E.F.E here. Happy New Year's. I probably should have said that 2 or 3 days ago. But just doing a little bit more deep diving here into the M1 Finance account. It's not an end of the week review, so we're not going too much detail here. I'm going to say that for the end of the week review here. But I just want to show you guys how the pies and stuff work on here. So I put in $100, right? I put in $100, and so out of that $100, it's 12%. So $12 went here. $12 one here, 12 one here, 12, 12, 12, 13, and 15. Now these are the two that I made here. And so what I like about M1 Finance, these right here with the M's on them, these are the ones that M1 Finance had, depending on what you want to do. And so M1 Finance allows you to have your own also. You just hit edit right here, and you'll hit create a pie. When you hit create a pie, you'll create a big pie chunk like this, or you can add a slice, will be a small little slice. I'll show it to you guys here. So I like M1 Finance because it's everything up for you. You can just put your money in and it splits up for you, just like on Acorns and so. And if you want to, you can add your own little stuff. You can either add it to these or take stuff out. You can also adjust the percentage, like so. Let me show you guys. Oh, I went to the wrong one again. So you can adjust the percentage like this. Doop doop doop. How much you want to put in there? If you put too much, that has to equal 100%. So I'm 3% over, so let's say remove 3. And if it's not at 100%, it'll say add so and so there. And so you can add little slice if you want to. Little slice would be your company shares. Let's get out of this thing. So you can add slice if you want to. We're not going to add a slice to it. We're not going to add a pie to it. I'm going to show you guys what I have pre-added on here. And so you put your $100 in there. It splits up. And so $100 splits up depending on what you have this on. So this 15%, so $15 went into here. And so we'll click on this piece of pie right here. And these are the slices that I have inside of the pie. Bank of America and Sunny. So out of $15, 50% of the $15 go here, and 50% of the $15 go there. So you can see that's how it works. 746, 740, and you can hit rebalance if you want to adjust it. Also, edit, and you can buy and sell. And so that's how M1 Finance works. If you get you put $100 in there, it'll break down out of the whole portfolio to break down out of here and split into there and split depending on how you have it. Now for here, I have my favorite dividends that I'm going to be making on here as I go on. I'm going to take my favorite dividends off of Robinhood that I like, and I'm going to put them in here. And my top companies that are doing good on Robinhood, I'm going to put them in here. Now I'm not going to put too much in here because obviously it's just looking off $100 that I'm doing. The more money I have, the more shares I'll be able to buy, and then I'll add more stuff to it, but only $100. I want to put too much into it. Also on here, for M1 Finance, what I like that I just noticed here, you can add accounts on here. Let's see here. So you can add what we have right now, individual taxable brokerage account. What we have right now, what you'll use on Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Stockpile, anything. You can either have a joint investing account, so you want to do with your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, or your kids. You can have a joint investing account with both of you guys to be in there together, put money in together, so you don't have to have two separate things. And so, I mean, that can help you out for having just one single account. You can have a retirement account, so you can open your traditional Roth. You can open an IRA, so you can make a retirement account on here also. So you just hit that and set what type of retirement account you want. You can open a trust for your kids or family. You can open up a trust account that'll, I guess it goes on 18. I forget how trust work, but yeah, you can open a trust account there. And the one here that you need the benefit for, M1 Plus for, you can open up a custodial account, which I'm going to do this for my kids because I like how simple it is for me to just put money in there and split between the pies. It's just the same like Acorns. And so yeah, I'm gonna get that for the kids there. And also, what I want to show you guys before we hop off of this right here, what I noticed here on the, let me go to that. What I noticed here on the membership details is that when you spend money, when you get the M1 Finance cards and you spend money, not only they pay you 1% in checking every month, but you get 1% on cash back. So say if I had $10,000 and I spent $10,000, like if you spend $10,000 a month, you get 1% of that $10,000 back. So if you get $1,000, you get that money back. So same thing with the 1% API check in here. Like you get paid that every month. here, whatever you spend, you get paid. You'll get that cash back. So I thought that was really neat. I just saw it on there, so I'll go over that at the end of the month video for the interest versus stocks. See how much you can make off of interest versus how much that you can make off of stocks. But yeah, I just thought that was really neat, and I just wanted to show you guys how to get the pies here on M1 Finance, or how did it work for say. And yeah, it's just the same with Acorns, like the kids thing with the custodial accounts. I'm not gonna click on it because they have my kids' names on there. But yeah, same thing with the custodial account. So I'm gonna do it on here and on Finance to to help prepare a future for my kids. You can have it maybe be for like college fund, or just in case something happens to you. You can have something set up for your children. And so I thought that was really neat. But anyway, it's just a short video for today. That's pretty much all we have. Just want to share that with you guys today. And we'll have a video at the end of the week, our weekly report. I'm gonna have we're gonna have the referral links in the bottom. So don't forget to don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and you can hit that bell if you want to. We're gonna have referral links in the bottom here. I have referral links for Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance. You can join those. It'll give me a stock, give you guys a stock. Same deal. And I'll have the link for also you want to build your credit. Also, I have those down there in the description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.